Assalamu alaikum guys. We are together in DC Park and which is very famous in Thakurgaon. Am I right, Shuman brother?
Yes, brother, right.
And we are making video a different way. I am holding my camera on the soil or floor ja bolo tumi.
Maybe right now I should sit here because
কেন তোমার কেন বসা দরকার কেন কি দরকার আছে
I'm really very tired, brother, after roaming here.
Oh my god, you're tired.
Yes,
We're tired.
That
Oh.
as well as I'm very hungry.
How many hours ago did you come here?
Yeah, actually, brother, I did roaming here before 2 hours. 2 hours.
2
Yes,
hours.
2 hours.
Oh, that's why you're hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Oh, he is hungry. Me too.
You look now hungry.
I'm
Okay.
also like this.
Utpalda,
You can see.
do you want to say something?
আবার ফেরত